Transform your bathroom with the Wave Collection by Golden Elite Deco. Available in 30, 36, 40, 48, and 60-inch sizes with stunning matte white finish. Features luxurious white glass countertops that are easy to clean and integrated sinks. Enjoy spacious, soft-close drawers for all your bathroom essentials with quiet convenience. Hidden handles for ultimate style, plus freestanding design. Maintenance is simple too. Need to remove a drawer? Open it, locate the bottom screws. Unscrew with your drill or screwdriver, then lift out. Reinstalling is just as easy. Align, fit into holes, and screw back in place. Available at our 4 locations and online.